Refer to the accompanying table, which describes results from groups of 8 births from 8 different sets of parents. The random variable x represents the number of girls among 8 children. Find the mean and the standard deviation for the number of girls in 8 births. Okay, so let's take a look at the data. So this is quite a bit of data in here. So rather than doing this by hand, for this particular question, because we have quite a bit of data, we're going to use StatCrunch to find the mean and the standard deviation. So we're going to open this data up into StatCrunch. Okay, so here we have our data. So we have our first column, which represents X, which is the number of girls, and then the second column is the probability. So what we're going to do, in order to get the mean and the standard deviation of this, we're going to go ahead and click Stat, go to Calculators, and then we're going to scroll all the way down to where it says Custom. So you see down here where it says Custom, you're going to select that. So the values in are going to be the number of girls, which represents the X variable with the first column, and then the weights in are going to be the probability, which is P of X. And now we're going to select Compute. Okay, so if you notice here, we have our mean down here, and then we have our standard deviation. So now that we have this, if you look, they want us to first round our mean to 1 decimal place, so you can see that the mean is going to be 4.0, and the standard deviation is rounded to 1 decimal place, which gives us 1.4. And therefore, there is the result and the answer for this question.